In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Fitbit Charge 5. Now do note that this will clear the user data on your device, so only do this if you are returning your device, giving it away to someone else, or as a last resort for troubleshooting. So, starting from your clock face, you'll go ahead and swipe down to reveal the settings, and keep swiping until you find the settings app. So I'll go ahead and tap on this, and then I'm going to swipe down till I find device info and tap on that. And then I want to find clear user data. So I'll tap on that. And here it says clear data. This clears your data and disconnects the device from your phone. Any unsynced data will be lost. So if you're sure you want to do this, you can hold for 3 seconds. Otherwise, you can tap cancel. I'll go ahead and hold for 3 seconds. And the screen has gone blank and the Fitbit logo just popped up. And after a short while, we should have the device reset and have a little call to action, here we go, to set the phone up or set the device up again. So it says download the Fitbit mobile app in order to set this device up again. And it also does show the activation date here so that the next person knows if this device is still under the 1-year warranty or not. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Fitbit Charge 5 videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.